Anyway, welcome to Wally Bra, and today I want to talk about my smock and how effective it is for wood turning. Because I was getting a bit sick and tired of getting covered in sawdust, as you do. That wasn't such a good idea. But anyway, basically, it might be such a good test. It might be a good test after all. But anyway, this particular smock I got from Administer, and it's a Woodturners Smock, and it's quite a good thing, really. But there are a few issues with it. The quality is fairly okay, but not great. It does do its job. It stops the rubbish coming down your neck and what have you, and you can tighten up the sleeves because you've got these Velcros. But then again, on the other hand, we've got a bit of a conflict of interest regarding the actual smock itself. We find that when you take it off, sometimes the Velcro on your sleeves end up getting stuck to your neck, because on the back here there is a soft material on the back of the smock, and it gets stuck and you sort of have to pull it apart and what have you. It's really annoying. A couple other problems with it was, in practicality that is, it fills up with sawdust. Yeah. Like for instance, let's get this off. Basically, there are some pockets that fill up. Now one is your pencil pocket, and my pencil pocket here, where is it? There we go. That's the pencil pocket, that one there. Stick your pencil in it. Well, you can see that, but it's actually, now this isn't from me throwing sawdust over myself, it's actually from using it. And I don't know if you can see it, but that's actually wadded up with sawdust inside it. So if I give that a good old shake there, I might be able to get some of that out. As you can see, that comes out of there, there's sawdust coming out of the pocket. Yeah. So it fills up with sawdust, which, it's not great. Still more in there. So that's annoying, because you start poking your pencil in there, and all it does, it ends up going deeper and filling up more and more with sawdust, and then you tend to ram it down with your pencil, and it gets caught in the bottom and it's hard to get out. So that's one silly little thing. Another thing I found with it was the quality of the material is actually quite good, but the stitching isn't so. Within a very short period of time, I found that the zip started coming away at the bottom here, as you can see there. So I'll get you in the camera, and that just needs stitching up again. I know it's a minor thing, but you shouldn't need to do that. I've already stitched. If you see the difference in colour of thread there, I've already stitched it up once, and it's come away again. I think probably the reason for that is that zip goes too far down the garment. It's way too low. So that you could probably do about 3 inches lower, sorry, 3 inches higher, and that'd make quite a good difference, I think. But it's coming away again, and not be funny, it came away with the actual factory stitching, and now it's come away again with my own rubber stitching. But I'll probably glue it. So that's something I didn't like about it. It's been washed a couple of times, and it seems to wash up okay. But anyway, this is my little smock. Oh yeah, the other good thing about it. Let's go for the good. I tell you what, let's go for the good points first. One is it's adjustable on the neck, on the collar here, so you can get snug around your neck. If you're doing a lot of, if you're a wood turner, you know that when you turn a bowl or whatever, or spindles, it all flies up in your face. It all goes down your neck. Well, the beauty about this is you can adjust the neck, and it's elasticated as well, which is quite good. Because obviously it's a snug fit without strangling you, like Homer Simpson and Bart. So yeah, so you got the adjustment there. That's good. You got the adjustment on the sleeves, which is pretty good. But like I said a minute ago, that will stick to that. So that's that didn't that time, but it does. They stick together. It gets annoying because you're like, anyway, it's just a pain. You've got the Velcro on the other side here as well. You've got the zip cover at the top. It's quite good. Stops all sawdust getting jammed and trapped in it. But yeah, it's quite a good thing. But also, what I quite like about it is the pockets in the back. Now, they don't tend to get filled with rubbish, but you've got two nice, large pockets. Yes, they do get a bit of rubbish in them, but nothing major, nothing that causes any trouble, because it's behind you. So, let me put that back on again. Now I've already covered myself in shit. So the zip to me is too low down at the bottom. I feel it should be a little bit higher, and that's probably why the zip keeps giving away at the bottom, because when you're bending and what have you, or doing a boogie, doing the Irish jig or something, you find that it's too much strain on the zip. But on the whole, it's pretty good. So you've got your sleeves adjustable, so you can prevent no rubbish coming up there on both sides. I'm kind of repeating myself a bit now. Sorry about that. As you probably noticed, I didn't plan this video at all. And on the back here, you've got those two pockets. They're incredibly useful when you put a tape in there, or you know, your marker pens or whatever you want in there. Your mallet, maybe a jigsaw, whatever. But you can shove stuff in there, anything you like, as long as it's not too heavy, because it's you build like that. But yeah, it's a good thing. That's a bit of an issue. Really good. That doesn't really ought to be there. That ought to be somewhere else, really. It shouldn't really be there, in my mind. And besides, if you're stupid, like I am sometimes, and you put your pencil in there, but the wrong way up like that, you're jabbing yourself with a pointy bit, which isn't such a great idea either. It's good to put a rule in, but yet again, same thing again, you're jabbing your face at it. So I don't understand the purpose of that pocket, because it's really safely usable, to be honest. You know, you could put a chisel in there. Maybe that's what it's for. No? Okay. Anyway, that's my little video and my first impression, or my first impressions, my impressions. I've had this for about 3-4 months now. This well, I bought it this year, so I've had it about 3 months, and it's still going strong. The zip went quite quickly regarding on the bottom here, but apart from that, it's actually quite a good thing. And it isn't too expensive. It's under, well, when I got it, it was on offer. That was around £25 pounds from Axminster in the UK. I imagine it's available elsewhere, or a very similar thing. But yeah, I won't put a link below because I ain't got one. I just thought I'd just do a little video of that. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you're most kind, go click and subscribe, and maybe click the little bell icon, because then you get a warm buzz feeling in your pocket, and that'll be me uploading another video. Anyway, thank you for watching.